What's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco. I'm back with another banger. And from the title, you see what we're dealing with. Today, reacting to Rygin King, Kraff, Zerimar, Mind Games. Let's get it. What's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco. I'm back in the building with another banger. You already know what time it is, guys. I'm there with that special treat. You see me? I say, yeah, man. Hey, two artists I'm rating of the game just dropped a video. You see me? And they collab with Zerimar. So I want to see what I go on. You see me? Who me a table? Me a table none other than Rygin King and Kraff. Yeah, man. This is a collab I wasn't even expecting. You know what I'm saying? No, from them I get big collabs, I'm not expecting that. What they are blood cleats, King and Kraff, Javinci and Low, King, blood cleat. A lot of collabs are going on. Be like, you see me, Massacre and Jashi. A lot of collabs are going on. Be like, you see, you see me. So, be like a game are going right now, but Rygin King and Kraff and Zerimar drop a song today, but a couple hours ago entitled My Games. And I know from the level of talent on this, say this I got shot. Me not ask no question on the one. You see me? Two talent like them, dog. Come on, man. You don't know Kraff about to play Rygin King, one of the most talented dancer all is posting a while. You know what I'm saying? Come on, man. We know say I be a vibes. This I got nice. We know say the video I got turn up. You know what I'm saying? So I jump right in that track. The one I'm mad. I'm excited for the one of people. I know anything about the comment section. You see me, before we jump right in that track, if you're new to the channel, you know what time it is. Go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. You want to listen to real. You see me, if you're fake, I don't want you over here. So you see me and say, but you don't know. I jump right in that track. This is Rygin King, Kraff, and Zerimar. Mind Games. Come on, I jump right in that track. Let's get it.
Mind games. The pussy them a play a mind game. Some me travel with the K like pioneer. Mind games. The pussy them a play a mind games. Darkness, man. You know. Hey. Waffy tappy now. Waffy tappy bro. Making money fast dog, then me stack it up. One button push start, then I wrap it up. Never left it chip glock, yeah me happy bro. One
No man, them a play mind games. To come in. I don't know say yo, damn, I Kraff kick it off. I wonder who I kick it off. I was wondering if a Rygin King or who I go kick it off, but a Kraff kick it off. You see me? I'm like, oh, that come in on the smooth on the track. Let's see what I go on with that dude.
And squeeze quick fast and you wrap it out. Me not have to shout, me Glock we do the most.
Now if you shout, me Glock we do the most. Make some boy know no man.
Me Glock we do the most. He pussy them a play a mind game. So me travel with the K like pioneer. He pussy them a play a mind game. So me travel with the K, I mean a
travel with the K like pioneer. I'm tip yourself.
Afraid for you. He pussy them a play a mind game. Slap one in your face and me pine straight. He pussy them a play a mind games. He pussy them a play a mind games.
Bro. I wonder Rygin will go sliding on the track cause bro. Yo.
A mind game, them a play only Chigga man play. Me boss the Russian and the Chinese scale. Me squeeze and it sing like a tab.
Man say easy no man say mind game no play. I'm gonna trigger me a play. Me press it. Come in no man, me press the K and the Chinese. Be yourself, bro. Be yourself. Come in. Hold on. We gotta pull up the entry there. Cause Rygin King man. Come on no man. And a king in it, no man. Come in, no man.
A mind game, them a play only Chigga man play. Me boss the Russian and the Chinese scale. Me squeeze and it sing like a tabita. Chase my the mind drop a ground. We no care about it stare. Tell me what the fuck then.
Don't care, brother. Oh, dear God to Christ. Come in.
No about more be 100 rifleman. Money power, me pray. Young rich and bad, them don't know how we steer. We no run jokes, so come out our way.
The pussy them a play mind.
Young, rich and bad, they know we stay, we not play jokes, so come out our way. I'm telling my youth, I'm coming to blood clean mind games. You don't know you gotta pick out your brain, be yourself.
Game, so me travel with the K like pioneer. He pussy them a play a mind game. So me travel with the K, I mean afraid for wave. He pussy them a play a mind game. Slap one in your face and me pine straight. He pussy them a play a
your face and we'll pine straight. I'm telling you, I'm gonna miss nothing. everything I get it. Come in.
Mind games. He pussy them a play mind games and mind games. Ah, you see me a see that. You see me a see Kraff. You see me a see couple killer when I know if it talk. You see me a see money. You see the beam a way park. You see the K West Park. Eagle and
You see me a see dark. You see me a see Kraff. You see me a see money. You see the beam up. Easy no man. Yo, come in, bro. What y'all expect about this one? Did y'all expect Rygin King and Kraff yeah collab? Cause I ain't seen this one coming. Which is a good collab. You see me? Cause yeah man, I like it all them work together. They need to make more tune. I ain't gonna lie to you. Yeah,
no, shut up, bitch.
You can definitely see the song that come off of Kraff energy. I can tell the song that come off of Kraff energy. You see me? Come here.
In a heart, on the road me walk. Me no roll with that, but me rolling smart. He pussy them a play a mind game, so me travel with the K like Pioneer. He pussy them a play a mind game, so me travel with the K.
Hey, I'm not afraid for
Me not afraid for wave. He pussy them a play a mind game, slap one in your face and me pine straight. He pussy them a play a mind games. He pussy them a play a mind games and mind games.
If you want to buy badness, no rifle there for we shoot boy tomorrow and no practice. Be a sadness when your two friends dead because them feel fi start alive and chat shit. One make this clock switch and just.
Okay, Zerimar. Okay, dog, we here. Okay, we see what you deal with. Yeah, man, come in. Yeah, alright. You're doing your thing. You're doing your thing.
Just take a one press fi open up and everybody close casket and that's it. Cause real killers now go to prison, no judge, no take that risk. Feel brave and run up, get bullet in your stomach. More than the food where you eat for dinner come up.
Come in and run up and get one in your stomach. More than the dinner where you eat. I go come. I'm telling you, brother. I'm telling you, everything you have on me top, man. Try up everything. Come in.
Catchers full of fucking sinners and me corrupt and me all about the money. So we no fuck with the product. Always stay up on the block so them I wonder how we no broke. Them not say we risk we life, them only know we no walk. Travel with the gear and send a boy if you go home. Clip full street.
Fox, then see up on the block and I wonder you down broke, eh? Oh, the pan like we don't put in work, you know, so we don't put in work. You see me, we just put in work and don't talk about it. To them.
It's empty, nobody even one room. Many times them straight. Now go live to see tomorrow. Come out of my way. Cause the bully them all up. In a play mind games. Hunt them down like sparrow. Use one IPM. Point straight in them marrow. Now no time for waste. Cause the escape narrow. We not afraid for wave. Cause we dark like shadow.
We not afraid for wave it, brother. Cause we darker than shadow. To them, man.
And the guns like us are on a barrow. We not play mind games and mind games, no.
Yeah, clap it and we time straight. On to them. Rubo me na them boy. Yeah man. Yeah man. Yeah man. Yeah man.
Cashback.
Calm track. Yeah. I like the one the very calm track from Rygin King, Kraff and Zerimar. You see me? They not too wild up on them one. Yeah man, lyrics are there for days though. Don't get it wrong though, dog. Them, yeah man, dog. Mind game them a play only thing when me play at it. Hey! Once I mind game them a play only trick when me play me beat the Russian and the Chinese kid. Hey, up to them, don't play Rygin in a dog. Yeah man. We didn't expect that one, definitely people. You see me, I don't know where I was react to Rygin King and Kraff over here. None of them is stranger to the channel, you see me, but definitely wasn't expecting this collab. But I'm glad and I'm happy we get the collab. I want nothing but the honor. You see me, was it a good collab? You know what I'm saying? Did they compliment each other on the track? You see me, what you think about Zerimar? I don't know much tune from Zerimar, but he did this thing, you know, him help up him and help him end Panda and carry the track, you know what I mean? Like get carried by the rest of the dog, you know, they actually contributed to the track and the quality. So yeah man, only thing about that one now. Love the track, yeah or nay. Let me know in the comment section. You see me drop the emojis and comments. Definitely show the artists them some love and support. Man, they know say Jambisco dancing, you know what I'm saying? And then let's chop it up, guys. Let me know what you want me react to next. Drop in the comment section and hit me up on IG. You know what time it is and I get it done, you know? Yeah man, people, just let me know what I'm do next and I'm sorted out. You don't know your boy Jambisco. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys and I'm out.